Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a strong brand with Printify. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To build a strong brand with Printify, start by defining your brand identity. Identify your target audience and understand their needs and preferences. Choose a unique and memorable brand name that represents your values. Create a cohesive brand logo that captures the essence of your business. Select a color palette that reflects your brand personality and resonates with your audience. Develop a consistent font style for all your branding materials. Sign up for a Printify account if you haven't already. Explore the various product offerings available on the Printify platform. Select products that align with your brand and are in demand within your niche. Customize your chosen products using the Printify design tools. Upload high-quality images and graphics that represent your brand effectively. Ensure that your designs are optimized for the products you are creating. Set competitive prices that reflect your brand's values while ensuring profitability. Invest time in creating detailed and appealing product descriptions. Highlight the benefits of your products to attract potential customers. Integrate your Printify store with your online shop or website. Use social media to showcase your products and engage with your audience. Create promotional campaigns to attract initial customers and generate buzz. Consider using email marketing to keep your audience informed and engaged. Collect feedback from customers to enhance your product offerings. Continuously analyze your branding strategies for effectiveness and areas of improvement. Stay updated with trends in your industry to keep your brand relevant. By following these steps diligently, you can build a strong and memorable brand using Printify. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.